Welcome back to this part. So in this part we are going to learn question number 2. But before that, please check how to do question number 1 of exercise 2.4. So question number 2 says that find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions, and we need to classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and a whole number. So before proceeding further, let us revise that what is proper fractions. Proper fractions are the fractions where the numerator part will be smaller than the denominator part. Next, improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator part will be greater than the denominator part, and the value of this kind of fractions is always greater than 1. Yes, and for proper it is less than 1. So now the whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers which include positive integers along with 0. The whole number does not contain any fractional part or decimal. So in the question, just we need to find the multiplicative inverse and then we will classify them. Just by flipping the number, we can easily find the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of a fraction. So if we talk about this, what is the reciprocal of 3 over 7? Reciprocal is 7 over 3. Clear? Just we have found the multiplicative inverse. Now, if you will see here, the numerator part is greater than the denominator part. So, this is an improper fraction. So, the reciprocal of 3 over 7 is an improper fraction. Understood? For fractions, just flip the whole fraction over to find the reciprocal. Basically, a reciprocal, or we can say a multiplicative inverse, is simply one of a pair of number that when multiplied together equals 1. For example, if 7 is a number and when we will find the reciprocal of 7, we will get 1 over 7. And when we multiply together, it results 1. So now moving to third question. Reciprocal of 9 over 7 is 7 over 9. Just flip it over. Flipping over the fraction, we will write 7 over 9, which is the reciprocal of 9 over 7. So if you will see, the top part is smaller than the bottom part. So we can say that which type of fraction it is? It is proper fraction. As we already know that in proper fraction, the numerator part is smaller than the denominator part, and the value of proper fraction will always be greater than 0 and less than 1. Now moving to the next part. In this part, we need to find the reciprocal of 12 over 7. So flipping it over, we will get 7 over 12. Now what is rest to do? We will classify it. If you will see, the numerator part is smaller than the denominator part. Again we will say that which type of fraction it is? Yes, you are correct. It is proper fraction. So we'll write it proper fraction. Clear? So this type of questions are very easy. Just you need to do the practice of it. Now one more thing I would like to share, that you have to do questions on your copies according to your syllabus. If you will refer to your syllabus, there are 2 sections given for classwork and homework practices. So you have to do work according to that. Now coming to the last part of the question, we need to find the reciprocal of 1 over 11. So the reciprocal is 11. As we have discussed that any positive integer or a number without fraction is whole number. So this part is whole number. Clear? This is how we will do this question. I hope so you have understood. Now practice for your better understanding. We will discuss the next part in next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.